Life is sum total of choices that we choose every day in every given moment of time, which means the choices that I make now determines my tomorrow. The choices that I made yesterday determines where I am today. So, isn't it wise to make the choices that will make us feel happy within and fulfilled and feels like we are living this moment to the fullest? Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here. I'm a health coach, and my mission is to create healthy choices for you. So let's understand what does that mean. We are free to make our choices, but we are not free from the consequences of the choices that we made. So, if given a choice, the choice that you take is important because whatever the consequences you're going to face because of that choice, we can't avoid that. And hence, there is always some kind of delay in making those decisions, in choosing those choices which we want to, but we don't do it because we know if we decide something wrong, we will not be away from the consequences we'll have to face, and nobody wants to wrong themselves. The problem is there's nothing called right or wrong. Whatever situations you face today, okay, and whatever choices you make based on those situations and based on the wisdom you have at that given point of time, because of whatever experiences you have from your past and because of whatever learnings you have taken from them, you make those choices depending on them. So consequences will only help you to teach and gain more experiences. So it's okay, we can't be perfect all the time. Stop looking for a perfection in your choices because imperfection is a human nature. I would not say nature, but imperfection and having a human experiences, we can make a mistake, accept them, embrace them, and it's okay as long as we learn, we understand, and we allow ourselves to experience more. Once you know where what choices that you made, you had to face these consequences rather than remembering them as a right and the wrong. I did a mistake, blaming yourself, blaming the people who are in your life, and then deciding not to take these choices and hence ending up not taking any choices. Understand, not taking any choices is also a choice. So inaction will never help because that is again a choice you took, and hence you're facing these consequences today. So making a decision, taking a choice which is more you is important. What you do should be backed up with your intentions for all the value that you're going to bring to yourself and to the others. It speaks about your integrity and it speaks about what you are from within. Understand that you need to take your choices from within, not based on on the outer world. Yes, we are influenced by the environment. Yes, we have to take a decision based on other people. Yes, the choices which we take will influences people in our life, but hence it's important that you don't get worried about them so much. It's important that you look inside and take those choices from within, from the person you are, from the integrity that you have within yourself, and the intentions that are clear about being good to yourself, and loving others. When you take the choices from here, they tend to add value to you and to the significant other, and even those who are not even related to you, but your intention is to do and love them, trust them, believe them, and do good to others, and be compassionate and kind to others. When you have this as a intention, as a person you are, and your choices are from those guts which sometimes tells you no, but your wise mind tells you yes, and you are in between the conflict, and then you decide not to take any choices. Understand, inaction comes from over analysis. Sometimes just flow with the life. Sometimes sit there and take wise decision because that's going to impact you and other people. But understand what's more important, build yourself within and take these choices from within. It's important to understand that your choices should be not from the temporary things, from a temporary emotions, I mean. It should be from something which is not changing. Though there's nothing called permanent, everything is impermanent, but there are certain things which are for a higher good, which have a higher purpose. And keeping that in mind when you take a choice, it will always benefit you and others. Don't be afraid to choose. Take a choice. Don't get paralyzed. If I do this, this will happen, that will happen. Don't anticipate your consequences. Think about the consequences first and go backward and take a choice if that's what you're feeling like. But don't get scared of them, because every point of time you need to choose. Even if you don't choose, you're choosing. So take the choices which will make you feel loved, make others love, and which will make you feel fulfilled within. And that need not to be taken so much into your head also and overanalyzed, because I believe we are a spiritual being having human experiences, and being human, we can err. It's okay, we are not perfect out there. We may end up having a lot of experiences which will make us human. So embarrass, hug your mistakes, accept yourself, and move forward and be the person you want to be. You don't have to overjudge yourself, don't have to judge others. Just be what you are, and you will see everything unfolding. When we try to compare, when we try to, you know, take our experiences towards a bitter you are not what you are. You be what you are, which is a loving, compassionate being within. And you will see everything else falls into place. Hope this choice that you took today to watch this video added some value to your life. I definitely made a best choice to be there and voice out what I felt from within, and helped me to take this choice of being out there and giving you this, what I have experienced in my life. And I found it has immensely added value to me and made me the person I am. Hope that happens to you too. And thank you for being there. It always gives me a pleasure to share my experiences and add value to your life. See you soon. Stay tuned. Do add the comments if you liked it, and let me know what can I do further on this. Thank you.